I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, we're going to zoom in here. We're here at the Woodbine Tunnel in Woodbine, Maryland. A little bit down the tracks this way is Woodbine Road. A little bit down that way is Morgan Road. And yeah, we've got CSX M216 approaching. Just a standard train, 3 GE for power, nothing too special. But I wanted to try this shot out for some scenery. So this is kind of a test shot. Never been here before to catch a train. So yeah, let's see how this ends up being. And here comes the train now, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Really interesting horn. P&W. Whoa. Southern Pacific. Conrail. End is approaching out there. Thank you all for watching. And here's from Morgan Road, or not Morgan Road Crossing, the Woodbine Tunnel in Woodbine, Maryland. This is the old main guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a great day.